Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer crypto from Webull Pay. So first is you have to open your Webull Pay and go to the crypto section and then just select the crypto that you want to send. Like for example, BTC, ETH, LTC, and etc. So you just have to tap on send, enter the recipient wallet address, amount, and confirm the transaction. So only BTC, LTC, BCH were supported initially. So ETH support may vary depending on your region. So on the receiving or external platform like Coinbase, Trust Wallet, Ledger, Kraken, you just have to copy the crypto address. Then paste it to the Webull Pay, send screen, then double check everything if it's correct, coin, type, and to avoid loss of money. And then transaction require blockchain confirmations. So timing depends on network congestion and fees. So it could be minutes for LTC or BCH or tens of minutes for BTC and ETH. So that's it. Once you confirm the transfer, then it'll be sent to your other crypto account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!